Hello and welcome. I'm Vivian Berry, cybersecurity practitioner, career coach, and co-founder of CybLynx, where we help everyday people and organizations understand how to use technology to grow, protect, and thrive. Today's session is about a powerful shift happening all around us, how AI is transforming the workforce and reshaping entire industries. Whether you're an employee, business owner, student, or simply curious, this conversation is for you. Let's start with the big picture. AI isn't coming, it's already here. From how we shop to how we hire, create, treat illnesses, and serve customers, AI is now part of the process. But what does that really mean for jobs? Is AI replacing people, or is it creating new opportunities? The answer is both. Yes, some tasks are being automated, but at the same time, AI is creating demand for new roles, new skills, and smarter ways of working. And the people who win in this new economy, they're the ones who learn how to work with AI, not compete against it. So, how exactly is AI transforming industries? Let's break it down by sector. 1. Healthcare AI helps detect diseases faster, recommend treatment plans, and manage patient records more efficiently. Doctors are using AI to analyze x-rays. Chatbots are helping with patient follow-ups. It's not replacing doctors. It's helping them be faster and more precise. 2. Finance banks use AI to detect fraud in real time. Credit decisions, risk analysis, and customer service chatbots are now driven by machine learning, and robo-advisors help regular people invest based on their goals. 3. Retail and e-commerce. When Amazon recommends a product, it's AI. When chatbots help you check out or return an item, it's AI. Retailers now use predictive analytics to know what you'll want before you do. 4. Education AI tools personalize learning. If a student struggles in math but excels in reading, the software adapts. Teachers use AI to save time grading and focus more on teaching. 5. Manufacturing robots and sensors powered by AI are streamlining production lines. Predictive maintenance prevents breakdowns. Factories are becoming safer, more efficient, and more precise. 6. Cybersecurity AI is crucial in identifying threats in real time. It helps detect unusual behavior, flag phishing attacks, and monitor huge volumes of data. Cyber teams now rely on AI to act faster than human response time allows. So what does this mean for you? You don't need to become a data scientist, but you do need to understand how AI is impacting your field and how to adapt. Let me share a few practical steps. Step 1. Identify the tools used in your industry, whether it's ChatGPT, Copilot, Jasper, or Salesforce Einstein. Know what's trending. Step 2. Learn to collaborate with AI. Instead of fearing automation, ask, how can this tool help me do my job better? Step 3. Upgrade your skills. Focus on what AI can't do well, like empathy, leadership, critical thinking, and communication. These are the superpowers of the future. Step 4. Stay curious. AI is changing fast. Subscribe to updates, join communities, watch demos, try tools. It's not about being an expert, it's about being open. What about the risks? Yes, AI brings challenges, bias in algorithms, job displacement, data privacy, and misinformation. But that's why we need informed, ethical, and human-led AI adoption. We shape how AI is used, and the more people who understand it, the better decisions we'll all make. Let's wrap up. AI is not science fiction anymore. It's already transforming how we live and work. Some jobs will change, some will disappear, but new roles are being created, and people who adapt and grow with AI will always be in demand. You don't need to be afraid of the shift, you just need to stay ready for it. Thank you so much for joining me today. Download the free resource I've prepared, AI and the Future of Work, 7 Trends to Know. Follow me, CybLynx, for more insights on tech, careers, and staying ahead of the curve. I'm Vivian Berry, and this has been AI in the Workforce, how AI is transforming industries. See you in the next session.